Yes, they're wonderful.
Now standing platform 1 terminates at stand. This is our customers off this track bus, then using every available door to door space.